I received their mail that my channel was monetized. My god, I was so happy. I'll just be watching my subscribe counts, as in I watch it like every minute, like, oh, it is now 403, it's now 404, it's now 405, and then boom, you wake up the next day and you just see bam, everything is down. Help your home girl, please. We must make this money. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is about getting monetized on YouTube. How I got monetized after 11 months of consistent and inconsistent posting on YouTube. My name is Victoria Ajadi. If this is your first time on my channel, and I am a Nigerian lifestyle and business vlogger. So if any of my content interests you, please make sure to hit on the subscribe button below and also tap the bell beside it so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I started this channel in October of 2018, but I didn't start to post videos until January of 2019. So between the time I started posting to the time when I got monetized in November, it was 11 months. It took me 11 months, and don't be fooled, it is hard work. The very first thing I would love you to know, if you are still trying to grow like me and probably you're not yet monetized, you should know that it doesn't come off easy at all. It doesn't come off easy, and you need to be really patient. On YouTube, patience is a virtue. Patience, it is necessary, it is important. There are some times that you'll be frustrated and just feel like, what nonsense, what rubbish, what is the meaning of this? You take your time to make videos. No, let's start from the beginning. You take your time to brainstorm on what content to make. And for somebody like me who likes to be streamlined, I love that my channel is focused on business and lifestyle. I knew that at the beginning of my channel, I wasn't very so focused, but later on I knew this is what I wanted my channel to be. So number one, that's number two. Number one, you have to be patient. Number two, you have to know that knowing what you want to focus on is very important. Don't just be a jack of all trades. It's okay to do everything at the beginning, just to know which one your subscribers are interested in, which content they are interested in, and which content you are also happy making videos around. It is acceptable. But later on, as you grow, you will know that it is important for you to be focused, to know what your YouTube channel really, what you want it to be about. So back to the process. The first process, of course, once you've known that this is what your channel will be about, and then you start brainstorming on the content, what do you make content about, you start researching and all that. You finish the research, or you think, oh, this one should be able to do, it should be able, people are searching for it, or it is being recommended, so let me make a content around it. The next one, you sit down and find out, gather together the stuff that you want to say in your video, and after doing that, you record, and after that, you edit. Now, editing is a lot of work. It is not a joke. It is not a joke. You finish editing and then you upload, and boom, the first wahala. YouTube tells you, oh, this video has it has a content something, a content claim, so you have to, the revenue or something has to, all those rubbish. I hate seeing that kind of mail from YouTube. I hate it with passion. So let's say you actually uploaded and everything is fine, no claims, nothing, everything is fine, and then to get views is now another issue. Getting views, it is a serious something, and getting subscribers. And that is why I'm so very grateful to each and every one of you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my content, even when it's it feels like it doesn't make sense, you still watch it. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you. So I started in October of last year, but I started putting up content in January of this year, and I reached my 1,000 subscribers in May of 2019, which is this year. So if you don't know, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and that is when you'll be allowed to connect your AdSense account. Before, you could actually connect your AdSense account and you just have it there, so that it will just get activated when you reach the other eligibility criteria. But right now, you need to reach the 1,000 subscribers threshold and the 4,000 watch hours threshold before you can actually link an AdSense account to your YouTube for monetization. Now, I know that getting your 1,000 subscribers, for some people it comes off so easily for them, and for some people it seems like it's taking years. Just hang on there. Be true to yourself, be true to the content that you create. Let people know you for what you're creating. And like I said, being focused kind of helps you also, not just jumping from one content to another and just doing everything. Being focused, let people know what your channel is much more about, and that brings much more growth into your channel via the subscription and also via the viewing by your subscribers and non-subscribers. It really helps a lot. So in October of 2019, I reached my 4K watch hours. Yay! When I reached that, I was hoping to be monetized. I went into review immediately, and a week later I was informed by YouTube via a mail that my channel could not be monetized because of reused content. And what do they mean by reused content? Reused content are those contents that a lot of people post on their channel. Like, you post it, somebody else posts it, another else posts it. It is not originally by you, it is from someone else. Like all those viral videos, and a lot of people had access to it, and a lot of people posted about it, even sometimes with the same caption, with the same title. They term that as reused content, especially when you don't add any meaningful anything meaningful to it. Like, you just got it from Instagram or you got it from Twitter and you just reposted on your own YouTube channel. Bam, it is reused content. So I had to wait for a month before being able to enter for review again. So I had to delete most of those videos from my channel, and most of those videos are videos of Nigerian celebrities and all that, all the Nigerian celebrity gists that I had on my channel. Those were the videos that YouTube saw as reused content, because a lot of content creators also posted that same video. So I think their algorithm, their machine, their robots detected it and just say no, this is a red flag. So I had to delete all those videos and reapplied when it was November. They actually sent mails to people, to creators at that time, about reduction in watch hours. I just woke up someday and I just saw that I was past 4K watch hours, long. My watch hours just dropped to 3,000 what? It dropped by 1,100. It came to, I think, 3,200 or something around that. I was like, what? 3,200. And YouTube was now claiming that the watch hours before was for private, public, and unlisted, but the new watch hour was only for public videos. I was like, what? So fast forward to December, my watch hours came through. It came up back to 4K watch hours, and I was able to reapply. And just 3 days after then, on the 30th of November, I received their mail that my channel was monetized. My God, I was so happy, because I told God, I said, God, this monetization something, it must not, this monetization prayer, I want to end it in November. I don't want it to follow me to December. And I'm so glad, I'm so happy that that prayer was answered. So November 30th, my channel was monetized. Now, what is the point of my story? The point of my story is, now for us upcoming and growing YouTubers, please take these tips that I'm about to say, take it very, very seriously. Number one, like I said earlier, you need to be patient. Number two, you need to be focused on what content your channel is about. Number three, in the event of growing your channel, some things that you might do might be harmful for your channel, like sub for sub. It is harmful. I did that at the early stage of my channel, and really it was painful because I lost all those subscribers. They'll subscribe and unsubscribe, and you know, at that time I'll just be watching my subscribe counts, as in I watch it like every minute, like, oh, it is now 403, it's now 404, it's now 405, and then boom, you wake up the next day and you just see bam, everything is now, oh, you are now back to 350. It is distressing. Now, it's good to join live streams. It's good to make friends that are content creators on YouTube, but please don't ever tell them they should subscribe to you in favor of you subscribing to them. Don't do that, please. If anybody watches your content and they love it and they subscribe, fine. If you want, you can go to their channel, check out what they see, what they do, and you love their content and you subscribe, fine. From live streams, you really meet cool and awesome people who will support your channel, who will help you a lot with your channel. But most of the times, that is not the case. So be very careful. Sub for sub is a no. It doesn't work. Not anymore. Another thing I'll encourage you to do is to go through the courses that YouTube has for creators. It's on your YouTube dashboard. You'll be able to see all those courses. You should go for them, you know, go through them, read and watch all those videos. They help. They will help you to know how YouTube works. They will help you to know what to expect, what not to do, how not to get copyright claims, and you know, all those things that might actually frustrate you on this YouTube journey. And it is also important for you to follow, get subscribed to YouTube superstars, like the YouTube celebrities. They really know a lot about YouTube. Get to know them. Just subscribe to them, watch their videos. They talk a lot about YouTube, and I must confess that for some of them, like Sean Cannell and what's this lady's name? I've forgotten her name. You really learn a lot from them. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that YouTube monetization is different for different people. Yeah, it comes easily for some people, and it's really, you know, challenging for a lot of people. So just be patient and trust the process, and I'll see you at the top. If you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button below and also on the bell notification beside it. And please don't skip ads. Please watch ads. Thank you. Help your home girl, please. We must make this money. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and until next time when I see you in my next video. If you have a video request, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will get right into it. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you for being here.